Download this code and get free GPT-4o from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. PhonePe is a popular digital payments platform in India, and testing its applications, especially for automation, requires a solid understanding of both the application and the tools used for automation testing. This tutorial will cover some common interview questions related to automation testing, particularly in the context of PhonePe, along with code examples. ####1 Understanding automation testing. Q. What is automation testing? Automation testing is the process of using automated tools to execute tests on software applications. It helps to improve the efficiency, effectiveness, and coverage of software testing. Code example *. Python. #. A simple example using Selenium WebDriver in Python. From Selenium import WebDriver. # Initialize the WebDriver. Driver equals webdriver.chrome. # Open PhonePe application, or demo URL. Driver.get, https://www.phonepe.com/. # Close the browser. Driver.quit. ####2 Why use automation testing? Q. What are the benefits of automation testing? Speed. * Automation can execute tests much faster than manual testing. Reusability. * Test scripts can be reused for different versions of the application. Accuracy. * Reduces the risk of human error during testing. Coverage. * Enables testing of a wide range of scenarios. ###3 Automation testing tools. Q. What tools are commonly used for automation testing? Selenium * for web applications. Appium * for mobile applications. Postman * for API testing. JUnit/TestNG * for structured testing in Java. Robot Framework * for acceptance testing. ###4 Frameworks for automation. Q. What frameworks can you use for automation testing? Some common frameworks include JUnit/TestNG * for Java applications. Ptest * for Python applications. Cucumber * for behavior-driven development, BDD. ###5 Writing test cases. Q. How do you write a test case for the PhonePe application? When writing a test case, identify the functionality you want to test. For example, testing the login feature. Code example, using Selenium and Python. Python. From Selenium import WebDriver. From selenium.webdriver.com and .by import by. From selenium.webdriver.com and .keys import keys. Import time. Dev test _phone_login. Driver equals webdriver.chrome. Driver.get, https://www.phonepe.com/. # Locate the login button and click. Login _button equals driver.find_element, by.spath, / button contains, text, login. Login _button click. # Wait for the login form to appear. Time.sleep, 2. # Enter mobile number. Mobile _input equals driver.find_element, by.name, mobile. Mobile _input.send _keys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. # Click on the submit button. Submit _button equals driver.find_element, by.spath, / button contains, text, submit. Submit _button click. Hashtag wait for a while to observe the result. Time.sleep, 5. Hashtag close the browser. Driver.quit. Test_phone_login. Hashtag 6. Handling waits. Q. How do you handle waits in Selenium? Handling waits is crucial for dealing with dynamic content. Selenium provides two types of waits. Implicit wait * sets a default wait time for the WebDriver. Explicit wait * waits for a specific condition to occur before proceeding. Code example *. Python. From selenium.webdriver.com and .by import by. From selenium.webdriver.support.ui import WebDriver wait. From selenium.webdriver.support import expected_conditions as EC. Driver equals webdriver.chrome. Driver.get, https://www.phonepe.com/. Hashtag use explicit wait. Try. Element equals WebDriver wait, driver, 10, until. ec.presence_of_element_located, by.name, mobile. Element.send_keys, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Finally. Driver.quit. Hashtag 7. API testing. Q. How do you perform API testing? API testing can be done using tools like Postman or frameworks like Rest Assured in Java. Code example, using Python with requests library. Python. Import requests. devtest_phone_API. Response equals requests.get, https://api.phone.com/v1/some endpoint. Assert response.status_code equals 200. Assert expected_value in response.json. Test_phone_API. Hashtag 8. Continuous integration. Q. What is continuous integration, CI, and how does it relate to automation testing? CI is a development practice where developers integrate code into a shared repository frequently. Automation tests can be run automatically with every code commit, ensuring that new changes don't break existing functionality. Hashtag conclusion. Preparing for a phonepe testing interview requires a good understanding of automation testing concepts, tools, and frameworks. You should be comfortable writing automation scripts and handling various testing scenarios, including UI testing, API testing, and performance testing. Remember to practice coding examples and familiarize yourself with the phonepe application to better understand its functionalities. Good luck with your interview preparation. Certainly. Preparing for a phonepe testing interview, especially focused on automation, requires a good understanding of various automation tools, testing methodologies, and programming languages. Below is a structured tutorial that covers essential topics, potential interview questions, and code examples. Hashtag overview of automation testing. Automation testing involves using specialized tools to execute tests on software applications to ensure they function correctly. The main benefits include increased test coverage, repeatability, and faster execution. Hashtag popular automation tools. 1. Selenium, widely used for web application testing. 2. Appium, used for mobile application testing, Android and iOS. 3. TestNG, a testing framework inspired by JUnit. 4. Cucumber, for behavior-driven development, BDD, allowing tests to be written in natural language. Hashtag key concepts to understand. 1. Test case design, writing clear and concise test cases, understanding positive and negative testing. 2. Page Object Model, POM, a design pattern that enhances test maintenance and reduces code duplication. 3. Continuous Integration / Continuous Deployment, CI/CD, understanding how automation fits into the CI/CD pipeline. 4. Version Control, familiarity with Git for version control. ### Common interview questions. 1. What is Selenium, and how does it work? Selenium is a suite of tools for automating web browsers. It can simulate user actions and validate application behavior. 2. What is the Page Object Model, POM? POM is a design pattern that creates an object repository for web UI elements. This improves code maintainability. 3. How do you handle synchronization issues in Selenium? Use implicit waits, explicit waits, or fluent waits to handle timing issues. 4. What is Appium? How is it different from Selenium? Appium is an open source tool for automating mobile applications. Unlike Selenium, which is for web applications, Appium targets mobile platforms. 5. Explain the difference between black box and white box testing. Black box testing focuses on input/output without knowledge of internal implementation, while white box testing involves testing internal structures or workings of an application. ######code examples. ############################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################################### Java. Import org.openxa.selenium.by. Import org.openxa.selenium.webdriver. Import org.openxa.selenium.chrome driver. Public class phonepe selenium test. Public static void main, string args. / set the path for the WebDriver. System.setProperty, webdriver.chrome.driver, path /to /Chrome driver. / initialize WebDriver. WebDriver driver equals new Chrome driver. / open phonepe website. Driver.get, https://www.phonepe.com/ example of locating an element and clicking. Driver.find element, by.spath, / button text, equals get started, click. / add assertions here to verify behavior. / close the driver. Driver.quit. #####2. A PIM example for mobile testing. Java. Import io.apim.java_client.apim driver. Import io.apim.java_client.mobile element. Import io.apim.java_client.android driver. Import org.openxa.selenium.remote.desired capabilities. Import java.net.malformed URL exception. Import java.net.url. Public class phonepe apim test. Public static void main, string args, throws malformed URL exception. Desired capabilities equals new desired capabilities. Capabilities.set capability, platform name, Android. Capabilities.set capability, device name, Android emulator. Capabilities.set capability, app, path /to /phone.apk. Apim driver mobile element driver equals new Android driver, new URL, http://127.0.1:4723/wd/hub, capabilities. / example of interacting with an element. Mobile element equals driver.find element by id, com_phone.app id /button_id. Element.click. / add assertions here to verify behavior. / close the driver. Driver.quit. ## best practices for automation testing. 1. Maintainability, use POM and keep your code organized. 2. Modularity, write reusable functions for common actions. 3. Documentation, comment your code and maintain clear documentation. 4. Regular reviews, code reviews help in maintaining quality. 5. Continuous learning, stay updated with the latest tools and practices in automation testing. ## conclusion. Preparation for a phonepe testing interview focused on automation requires a mix of theoretical knowledge and practical skills. Familiarize yourself with the tools and frameworks mentioned, and practice coding examples to strengthen your understanding. Good luck with your interview.